Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we will be solving this SAT math question. So let's see what the question is saying. A square map has a side length of 45 centimeters and 1 centimeter on the map represents an actual distance of 19 feet. A smaller version of the map is printed as a square with the side length of 70% shorter than the side length of the previous map. On the smaller map, which of the following is closest to the actual distance in feet represented by 1 centimeter, and we are provided four options. So what the question is saying here is we are provided a square map with square map. Yeah, this is square with side length 45 centimeters, and on this map 1 centimeter covers 19 feet. 1 centimeter covers 19 feet. Then we are provided after that a second map, or a smaller version of the map is printed with side length 70% lesser than this, 70% lesser than 45 centimeter. And what feet will that map cover? Let's make a smaller square first. Yeah, side length of this will be 70% lesser, and what feet will 1 centimeter of this map cover is asked in the question. Yeah, you are asked a closest number. So uh, let's first see that if 45 centimeter of this map uh, covers how many feet in actual. So yeah, if 1 centimeter of this map covers 19 feet, then 45 centimeter should cover 45 times 19 feet, right? So yeah, let's calculate this in a calculator. So 45 times 19 is equals to 855 feet. So now the side length of the smaller map is said to be 70% lesser than the larger map. That is 45 minus 70% of 45. That is equals to uh, 45 minus 70 by 100 times 45. This will be 45 times 30 by 100. 45 times 30 divided by 100, that is 13.5 centimeter. So side length of this map is 13.5 centimeter. So what we are asked is 1 centimeter of the smaller map covers how many feet? So 13.5 centimeter is said to cover 855 feet. 855 feet. Then 1 centimeter should cover 855 by 13.5 feet. This is equals to 855 divided by 13.5. Yeah, 63.33 feet is our answer, and it is option D. Thank you.